Hi everyone. The Shahed 136 in Russian service is an Iranian loitering munition in the form of an autonomous pusher-prop drone. It is designed and manufactured by Shahed Aviation Industries. The munition is designed to attack ground targets from a distance, fired in multiples from a launch rack, in batches of 5 upwards, to overwhelm air defenses by consuming their resources during the attack. The first public footage of the drone was released in December 2021. The aircraft has a cropped delta wing shape, with a central fuselage blending into the wings and stabilizing rudders at the tips. The nose section contains a warhead estimated to weigh 30 to 50 kilograms, 66 1/100ths of a pound. The engine sits in the rear of the fuselage and drives a 2-bladed pusher propeller. The Gerin 2 is the name of the munition in Russian service. The Washington Post reported an expert on Russian military systems at the CNA Strategy, Policy, Plans and Programs Center suggesting that Gerin may use additional steering methods compared to the standard Iranian Shahed 136. Thank you for watching this video.